This isn't even gonna work. I have to go somewhere else, if anything. Because if I put it like this, the bottle's not gonna be able to come in and out. Put it like that, it's just gonna hit the ground, the front tire is gonna hit it. Well, we'll turn this into a demolition video. We'll destroy this. Okay, let's destroy it. Okay, so we got that sitting right there. I got a nice, like, 15-pound bowling ball drop on it. I'm not mad at it or anything. It's just not gonna work. I'm just going to throw it away probably anyways. There's nothing I can use that wood for anyways. So this is just for kicks. Well, it supports it pretty good. Huh? Definitely cracked. Okay, let's try it there. Yeah, it definitely fractured it. Very fractured now. I think it'll work now. Yeah, I think I'll put it on my bike. I don't know what this is gonna do. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Just split it in half. Okay, well, thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe.